Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the implementation of adding numbers both with iteration and with recursion. So let's get started. First of all, let me talk about the iterative approach. Public integer sum iterative. Of course, we have to specify that how many numbers we want to add. We want to add 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So first of all, I'm going to create a result. And I'm going to use just a simple for loop. The integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to capital N plus plus I. And I'm just going to result equal to result plus I. There's a shorter term, it is the same as we would use plus equal to I. Result is equal to the result plus I, it is the same. And here I'm just going to return the result. So let's see whether it's working fine or not. I'm going to instantiate this algorithm equal to new algorithm. Then I'm going to print out the algorithm just sum iterative for example 4. What does it mean? That 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 4. And it should yield 10, I guess. And yeah, the result is 10. So it's working for iteration. How would we solve it with the help of recursion? I'm just going to have a public integer sum recursive. Of course, we have to specify it again that how many numbers we want to add. Then, it is very important for every recursive method that we have to specify a base case. Whenever the n is equal to 1, we are just going to return 1. And anyways, just return the n plus the subproblem. What is the subproblem? We want to calculate, we want to add the numbers, but not with n, but for n minus 1. Because we know that we have already added n plus the sum recursive on the n minus 1. So we keep solving the problem for subproblems, smaller and smaller subproblems. So let's see how it works. Sum recursive for n, where n is equal to 4, it should give us 10. And it gives us 10. If I set it to 5, here, then we should get 15 and so on. So this is how we solve this problem with the help of iteration and the help of recursion. And as I said earlier, although I don't want to repeat myself over and over again, that most of the problems can be solved with the help of iteration as well as with the help of recursion. So this is how we solve it. Thanks for watching.